Picture this, a world where digital and physical realities intertwine, creating a seamless universe of efficiency and reliability. Welcome to the exciting realm of cyber-physical systems, or CPS. These innovative systems integrate computational, communication, and control technologies with physical processes. Imagine smart cities, humming with interconnected systems, industrial automation and transportation systems operating like well-oiled machines. Picture healthcare and energy management adapting in real time, a testament to the power of CPS. This isn't just the future, it's happening now. So why does this matter to you? Because this is the world you're living in, a world transformed by CPS. It's about making life safer, more efficient, and incredibly fascinating. Our journey into this digital-physical fusion has only just begun. So stay curious, stay enthusiastic, and most importantly, stay tuned. Because in this rapidly evolving world of CPS, there's always something new around the corner. Welcome to the future, happening right now.